If you're still cutting cabinet parts on a table saw and you can't keep up with the demand, you're missing out on a massive opportunity to be positioned to take advantage of the overflow jobs the large shops just are not touching anymore. I know CNC machines are expensive, and the design software is not something we as woodworkers are generally good at. But I guarantee there are medium-sized shops in your area that have made the investment in CNCs, and there's hours in the day that machine is sitting idle. My point is this: find a shop in your area that uses a CNC and inquire with them about cutting your cabinet parts. Yes, your overall cost per cabinet will increase, but your labor and inaccuracies in your cuts are going to decrease significantly. And you'll be able to take on more jobs and take advantage of the overflow work that these large shops are just not willing to do anymore. Well, you've made it this far into the video. What I'm going to show you next is just how simple making a cabinet is in the software designed for a CNC. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, and remember to hit that notification bell so you're notified when new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much for watching.